The true treasure is not the shimmering pearl, but the life that surrounds it.
Look at this cinematic journey. Yes, started with a majestic ship, and then we dive deep into a world of crystal clear water and vibrant fish. No watermarks, absolute 8K quality, and the best part? I generated this in minutes using Google's secret professional tool. Today, I'll show you how to master Google Gemini Business to create high-end videos and pro-level images like these for your channel. Wait, before we start, let me clear one thing. This isn't the basic Gemini. This is the business version, and it's a total game changer. To access this, go to business.gemini.google.com. This platform is designed for professional creators and teams. Simply sign in with your email. Oh, note this carefully. Google is offering a full 31-day free trial right now for every new account. Once you're in, you get the power of Google's most advanced models, VO3 for video and Nano Banana for pro images. Let's start with video. Unlike other tools with strict limits, here you can generate dozens of high-quality clips every single day. Now to begin, click the Generate a Video tool in the menu. You'll see options for VO3 or auto models here. Just paste your prompt and hit Submit. I'm pasting a prompt for a cinematic landscape. Boom! In just seconds, an 8-second masterpiece with no watermarks is ready. What if you have a photo? Just upload it, give an instruction, and watch it turn into a high-definition video. Look at this tree. I just asked it to animate the leaves and add a dialogue.
Listen close.
The result
to the
is,
of the earth,
wow,
for they hold
almost
the secrets
perfect.
of ages long
Now,
past.
for the thumbnails. The Nano Banana Pro model creates hyper-detailed images that are perfect for high CTR thumbnails. Check out this exploded view of a camera. See the clarity? This level of detail is exactly what professional creators need. Since you have a 31-day limit, you can explore all these features and grow your channel without worrying about credits. You can even invite your team members. Yes, just one plan, and your whole editing team can use these models together. If you connect your Google Drive or Gmail, Gemini can even help you analyze your own files and scripts. This tool is a literal productivity cheat code. No more paying for expensive AI video subscriptions during your trial month. Wait, if you want my secret list of prompts for VO3, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Google Gemini Business is evolving fast. Try it today and let me know your experience in the comments below. Master the tools, stay ahead of the curve. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.